couch, dogs, me, guitar lessons. Hey there, LickNRiffers! Welcome to yet another awesome Christmas arrangement, especially for you guys and girls. This time it's a medley between Last Christmas and the 12 Days of Christmas, just because it's funny and nobody will expect you to play it. So you'll be the star of your Christmas family dinner. Alright, so first I'm going to play it for you so you can see and hear how it goes, and then we're going to break it down lick by lick, note by note, with tabs right here on the screen so you can learn it as quickly as possible. It goes like this. Enjoy. Alright, so put on G add 9. Okay? G add 9 is 2 fingers. It's 5 and 3 on strings 1 and 6. Okay, you can use 2 fingers. Okay, the little finger and the index finger for both E strings. Okay, the first and the sixth. Okay, on 5 and 3, or you can use the thumb for the 6th string. Okay, that actually might be more convenient because the line is 5, 5, 3 on the E string. Okay, so it might be a little bit more convenient than this. Right? Because it doesn't stretch the tendons here if you use the thumb. Okay? The wrist stays straight, which is very important. And then you have 3 on the 2nd string, and then it's still G add 9. The line is 5, 5, 5, slide to 7, okay? And then 3 on the E string, and you're still on G. Okay, so okay? Putting the thumb here actually works better. It works faster than putting the whole chord. So, right? You're soloing with your fingers, and the thumb is responsible for the bass note. So, so it might be more convenient for you even if you're not used to it. Try it. Give it a try. Then you have 3, 3 on the 2nd string, and then it's the same line. Okay, 5, 5, 5 slide to 7, 3 on the E string with the open 2nd and 3rd strings, but with the open 6th string as well, because this is E minor now. So it's the same line with a different bass note. Okay, with the open 6th string, right? And then the open E string, the open 1st string, and then it's still E minor with 2, 3, 2, 0 on the 1st string. So strings 2, 3, and 6 remain open. Now you can embellish this. You can do, okay, you can do 0, 2, 2 hammer on to 3, pull off to 2, and then 0. Okay, double slide even. Okay, you can stretch that last note, stretch that last F sharp note before you play the open E string again. Okay, and play a quick hammer on, pull off. Give it a try. See which variation you like. Sometimes embellishments can really spice up a song. But I shouldn't tell you this. You're learning fingerstyle guitar. And then you have A minor 7, A minor add 9. Sorry, it's A minor add 9. I was thinking about the 7 on the E strings. So it's 7, 5, 5. You bar the 5th fret on strings 1, 2, and 3. You put a finger on 7 on the 1st string, again, the E string. This time with the A bass, with the 5th string. Right? You can slide into it. Right? You can do a funky move. And then you play the 5 on the E string. So you can play the chord again, just the chord. And then you have, okay, it's 5, 7, 8, 7, 5. You can skip the 5 because it's still ringing. right? So if you want, play the whole thing, right? You can slide into the chord again, okay? Or, okay, skip that first A note, okay? That first 5, again, because it's supposed to still be ringing. And then the last line is 3 on the first string. I suggest you use the little finger for that because then you have to play D, okay? A D chord. So, okay, it's just 2s on the E string, or, okay, or you can do 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2 on the E string. You can pull off, again, you can embellish. And then 3 on the second string. You can harmonize with the whole chord all the time. So you can slide into the chord again. Okay, you can hammer on the 3. Okay, for embellishment again. So that's the last Christmas line. Okay, you can play it twice, and then you move on to 12 Days of Christmas. So let's go over it again. G add 9. Okay, and then again. E minor, okay, same line, open 6 string. And then A add 9, A minor add 9. And then 3, and then D. Okay, again, you can skip that first 3. It's an arrangement, you don't have to play the lyrics verbatim. It's not the lyrics, it's the melody, it's different. So, change it a little bit. As long as people can recognize the song, it doesn't matter. You can create your own variation. You don't have to follow the lyrics, word by word, because there are no words. It's just music. Now, for the 12 Days of Christmas, you slide to 5 on the 5th string. And then, okay, you play the 3rd string twice, the second time with G again. So it's 3 on the 6th string, but with the 3rd string, and you can harmonize with the 4th. So, okay, and then, okay, it's the 3rd string again, 3 more times into E minor. Okay, but you can do this. Okay, if you want, you can add 2 on the 6th string as a cliche bass move if you want. I think it's a little bit unnecessary because this is going to grow into a more complicated thing in a second. So, okay, you can do this. But it sounds a little bit awkward to me, okay, because you have to mute it to go to E minor. So to me it sounds weird. If you like it, play the F sharp bass there in between with the penultimate 3rd string. So, okay, and then 2 more G strings, 2 more open 3rd strings, and then you have A minor. Okay, with 2 on the 3rd string being the melody, so I play strings 3, 4, and 5, or just 3 and 5, and then the open 2nd string, and then you have D7. Okay, you play strings 2 and 4, and then the 3rd string, and then you have the open 2nd string with G. So it's A minor. Okay, technically it's A sus2. Okay, but the harmony there when you accompany someone singing is A minor. So, okay, it's the open 2nd string, and then D7, and then G. Okay, the open 2nd string with the G bass, or the whole chord, strings 2, 3, 4, and 6. And then you have this. It's, okay, it's 3 on the 2nd string, 2 on the 3rd, 0, 1 on the 2nd, and 2 on the 3rd. That's the melody. Now, I put this on, D over F sharp. It's 3 and 2 on strings 2 and 3 with the open D string as a D chord, a D5 chord, but the F sharp on the bass, 2 on the 6th string. Now, in D, you have F sharp, but I move it to the bass because then I can do this. Okay, I can do a bass line. Okay, I just play strings 6, 5, 4, but with the melody. So practice the melody first. Okay, you can just play this. right? If you like. What I play is this. I play the D string with 3 on the second string. Then with the 2 on the third and the open second, I play the F sharp bass. I play the 6th string on 2. And then I play the A bass, the 5th string, with 1 on the second and 2 on the third, and then you go back to D. So you play this 6 times. And then you have G, okay, with 3 on the second string. I just play strings 2, 3, 4, and 6. And then you have A major. Okay, you have an A chord. So it's A major this time, and you play strings 1 and 5, and then the chord, strings 2, 3, and 4, all on 2, or just 2 on the second string. So, and then you have another D over F sharp, which is just the chord, strings 2, 3, 4, and 6. And then I do a bass move down to G. Okay, so it's the D string, and then 3, 2, 0 on the 5th, and then G. Again with 3 on the second string, and then it mirrors the line that I played. And then it's higher. It's a classical thing. So and then G with 3 on the second string, and then 1, 0, and then 2 on the third, and then I play the open 3rd string with the open 6th string, just for an E minor harmony, just for a second there. Then you have C. Okay? It's just an arpeggio. It's strings 2 and 5, and then 4, and then 3. Right? And then you have A major again, but we're gonna solo, so it's just the A bass, the 5th string, with 2 pull off to 0 on the 3rd. Okay? Okay? And then, okay, it's 4, 2 on the 4th, and then the open D string. This is supposed to be a D chord, so I add the F sharp again on the bass, just to make it interesting, instead of, okay, you can do this, you can do 5 and 4 on strings 5 and 4, this is a D chord head, okay, or you can do, okay, the open D string at the end with 2 on the 6th string. Okay, for the D over F sharp. And then you have, okay, 0, 1 on the second string, and then G over B. G over B is 3 and 2 on strings 2 and 5 with the open 3rd string. Okay? And then you have C. Okay? C, you play strings 1 and 5. Okay? C major. Nothing fancy, just C major. Okay? Strings 1 and 2. That's your melody with the 5th string along with the E string. And then G with the open 2nd string, so you play 3 on the 6th string with the 2nd string, and then the open 3rd string, and then a D5 chord or interval. It's 2 and 0 on strings 3 and 4. Okay, just the D chord, the high D chord head. Okay, and then you can just play this, a G5. You play strings 3 and 4 with the G bass, 3 on the 6th string, and then you can add the high G at the end. So it's, or you can even do a harmonic. If you don't know how to do artificial harmonics, you can search. I have a lesson for artificial harmonics as well. Okay, up on 15, which is 12 frets above 3. Okay, okay, so you can do. You don't have to. This works pretty well. So again, the 12 Days of Christmas. Remember, you can download the tab for free. The link is below in the description. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, there are tons of free lessons, including Christmas songs, which I did in previous years. Okay, so search for those as well. Now let's go over 12 Days of Christmas again. Okay, so slide to 5 on the D string. Okay, and then G. E minor. 3rd string all the way, and then A minor, D7, G, and then D over F sharp. With that bass line arpeggio. And then G, A major, and then D over F sharp, bass move. G. And then the open E bass just for a second. C. And then A. D over F sharp again, and then G over B, C, G, D, G. Or if you want to show off a little bit. Right, so download the tab, the link below in the description. The tab is for free, and everything here is for free. So join the LickNRiff community, subscribe to the channel. I welcome you here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and have fun, enjoy. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.